we can get R is equal to 45 degree minus 15, that is 30 degree. So, that is angle of deviation. Now, we can get angle of, so this is angle of deviation, so this is angle of refraction. So, we can calculate refractive index of the medium. So, mu is equal to sin I upon sin R, that is sin 45 degree upon sin 30. So, 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So, mu is equal to 2 upon root 2, and that is equal to, here when you solve it, you will be getting here root 2 only. Now, if you have got mu, you can calculate angle of critical angle. So, we can write mu is equal to 1 upon sin c. So, you can write root 2 is equal to 1 upon sin c. So, sin c is equal to 1 upon root 2, that means c is equal to 45 degree. So, critical angle for this glass ear face is here, that is 45 degree.